fish.
First drop of the threadfin?
Yep.
Nice little gag. Gag of the structures over here.
Is there any way we can pull like in front of him and then just coast?
Yeah, we're gonna have to move over a little bit. Nice gag, Solomon.
Nice little guy.
Yeah, well the structure's over here. Here in the sun. Run over to the other side of the boat real quick. Another grunt. Decent size. Found Grunt Town. Where's the snapper? Gruntville, USA. Feels like a decent sized grunt. Yeah, grunt's a good size though. That's keeper grunt. It's a good eating size. That's a big Gruntville. Big old grunt. That's smaller than the ones I got. Big grunt. That's good eating right there. That's not too much. Yeah, you need to well, I'm saying like don't stop it. Just completely let it slack. Get it out of the way.
Look at that thing.
That's a beast, Solomon. Big grunt. That's a huge grunt. What size is that monster? It's in the rock now. Is it? It's already in the rock. You're not going anywhere. He almost just threw the pole in the water. Little grunt.
Nice.
Could be a grouper. There you go.
I only got 20 pounds.
Dude!
Damn.
That's a tank. That's a tank.
Don't break me.
Oh my god, look at that.
Don't break me.
Oh, buddy.
He wants to break me.
Oh, buddy. No, you're beating him. Was that just a shrimp?
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, they're riding all around over here.
Alright, look down there, see if you can see his fish. Do you see color yet?
Here you go. It's a grouper. Nice.
Another keeper. Good job, Solomon.
Want to keep that one?
Oh yeah.
Oh, shrimp.
That's another keeper.
That's bigger than the other one. God damn, dude.
Mackerel. You like eating them? They're good to eat though. Mackerel.
Holy mackerel.
Oh, he's massive. That's a big mackerel. Come on, get to this side of the boat. It's not that big.
Pretty good size enough.
Deep hole. It's gotta be I think it's a small snapper finally. Come on, baby. What is that? What is that?
It's a big grunt.
No, it's not. Is it?
Grouper?
Is that really a giant grunt?
That's a sheep's head.
Oh, it is.
Oh. Is that a keeper?
Yeah.
12? That's over 12. Can we eat it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I was like, is that a huge grunt?
You caught that with a shrimp?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a small sheep's head. That's what I was going to go to the next spot for, was target these.
Good. I'm eating all that shit.
But these are the best eating fish out here.
Dude, you said that about 9 fish already.
Look at those teeth. They got human teeth.
As soon as I got my grouper
Oh, yeah. I thought I had a huge snapper.
it looked like
It's It's a little grouper. Well, I thought it was gonna be a big snapper. That was gonna be a huge snapper, just a little gag. Well, the smallest grunt of the day. Is that how we're gonna end it? Looks like you ate 7 of your last shrimp.
You said go to or grog?
Last fish of the day. What is it?
Route to or go to?
This is a go to. Well, I guess it's time to head home. Couple keep a grouper and a bunch of grunt. A few mackerel.
All the tolls, put all the